one or two problems today. We have a half an hour more. Students, can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
So we have to prepare two statement of affairs in order to identify the opening capital or a capital as on 2016 and also capital as on 2010. Is it clear? So we
Yes,
just
sir.
going to work on both the capitals, then we will prepare the statement of profit or loss accordingly. Just give me a minute. So the present statement of affairs on can be for 31st December 2016. Clear? Anyway, even we can simultaneously prepare the statement of accounts for the opening capital too. Clear? So tell me, what is the actual format? You should be having a liability,
Amount.
amount, assets. Again, you'll be having an amount, right? Is it clear so far?
Yes, sir.
So we
Yes,
should
sir.
start with assets or liability.
Assets.
Asset.
Assets. Debtors.
Cash
Cash
at
in
bank,
bank,
cash in hand.
it amounts to cash in bank amounts
9,473.
Cash at bank and in hand, right?
Yes, sir. 9,470.
1 minute, students. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, students. I just intentionally added this internal column. I just assuming that you will also have internal column in your accounts note. So we shall start with cash at bank and in hand. And it amounts to
9,470.
9,470. Very good. Followed by debtors. How much? How much?
1,450.
Perfect. Stock. Shall we straight away enter into external column or internal column?
Internal column, sir.
Why?
Selling
Some
price.
adjustment, sir.
Because the stock which is provided as on 2010 has certain adjustment. Can somebody tell me the internal value of the stock? 5,000.
5,420, sir.
Perfect. So what might be the adjustment now? What might be the adjustment now?
25% of the total value.
Perfect. What it was informed? 25%.
Above cost.
Okay, then what we need to do now?
We have to deduct the value.
Deduct the profit. Correct? Or whatever the amount that is actually held above the cost value. So how are we going to arrive at the cost now?
5,420 minus 25% of 5,420.
Okay, what is the amount?
1,355.
Okay, answer is wrong. Just think and answer. Stock is appearing at selling price, which includes a profit of 25%. Okay,
Sir, let the cost be x. So x plus
perfect.
25x by 100 is equal to 5420. So we have to solve for x.
Simple. Cost is 100%, and additional profit that is and cost plus is 25%. So the selling price is 125%. Is that clear? Is this what informed, right? Can you all understand a similar thing from the question, students? We all aware cost is 100%. Clear? And it's included with 25% extra on the cost. And the selling price is 125%. So we all aware 5,420 is 125% and just less the amount of profit. Just come up with the formula quickly. Even the DEX formula works. What was it? Someone has said now, right?
Sir? Sir, x plus 25x by 100 is equal to 5420. So when we
Okay,
solve for
just
x, we
solve
will
it.
get.
What is the value you're getting when you solve it?
Just a minute, sir.
Hello, sir. Yes, give me the amount.
4336.
No.
1084.
Perfect. What is the simple formula?
5470 into 25 divided by 125.
Perfect. That is the formula. 5420 multiplied by 25 divided by 125 is the answer. What is it?
84.
1084. Five four two zero should be multiplied by 25 and it should hold divided by 125. This is the formula that you need to consider, or even you can directly reduce 20% out of it. Can somebody please explain this formula, why we are calculating this? Because here the stock, it was informed as 125%. Can you all understand why it is 125%? Why it is 125%? Because the question says it is about 25% to the cost. So 5 for 20 is equal to 125%. All you need to do is less 25% on cost. So you have to bring this formula here. So it will comes to 1084. So can somebody give me the value, final value?
4336.
4336. So what else to be added? Anything else to be added now? Anything else on asset side?
No, sir.
Students, I'm just going to ask one more question on this. If 25% is going to be added to the cost, what might be the profit percent? What might be the profit percent? Yes? Just give guess. What might be the profit? Profit is 75%. Profit percentage I'm asking.
125, sir.
No, selling price is 125. I'm asking about the profit.
25.
25%.
25% of what?
Sir, 20%, sir.
It is 20%. Perfect. Why it is 20%?
25 divided by 125, which is equal to
That's it.
20.
Simple as that. It will give a fraction of 1 by 4. Sorry, 1 by 5. So automatically 1 by 5 multiplied by 100% will be 20. So this is how you need to keep in mind that you can either use this formula 25 multiplied by 25 divided by 125, or else you can straight away post it as 20%. Can somebody find out 20% of 5420? What is the value of 20% of 5420?
1084.
1084,
That's
sir.
it. Yes. So two ways you can calculate. One is straight away go on breaking the percent. And can somebody tell me why are you dividing it by 125? Mathematical logic behind that. See, when you hear that 5420 is equal to 125%, you need to reduce 25% out of it. So first you need to know what is 1% amounts to. So that is the reason you are dividing 5420 divided by 125. So you will get a value of 1%. So you are multiplying that with 25 and you are getting a value of 25%, that is 1084. That may be a bit confusing, but still, this is the mathematical logic behind that when you talk about cost. And whenever coming to percent and cost, you should never make any mistakes, because even a small mistakes will affect your problem a lot. And also you can also go with a simple formula like how Daniel has explained, with just 20% profit when you have 25% extra on cost. Is it clear? So whenever you hear a term 25% extra on selling price, blindly you can answer by saying that it is 20% extra on profit. Clear? Shall we move on to liability side? Any questions?
No, sir.
So just for an addition, I am just giving 125, it values to 43.36, and again it is multiplied to 25. It gives 1084. So this is 1% value. It is 25% value. And what is the value of 125% here?
5,420.
Perfect, 5,420. Clear? And also this is 20% of how much? 5420. So when you multiply 5420 into 20%, you will again get 1084. Can you understand both the formula, students? Whatever you feel comfortable, you can consider that. Shall we move on? Yes or no?
Sir.
Okay, what comes on the liability side?
Creditors.
Capital.
Okay. Capital, which we need to find out. Then we have creditors, how much?
7,320.
7,000.
320.
Okay. So balance sheet totals to 15,256. Quickly tell me the capital value.
7,936.
7,000.
936, sir.
7,936. So this is the opening capital or closing capital?
Closing.
Opening capital.
Okay. What next? What are we going to do now?
Statement of affairs as on.
I'm just taking the values as it is. This is going to find out the values for. I'm just taking the same format. Yes, cash in hand and cash at bank, it amounts to how much? 19,000?
450.
19,450. Let us how much?
5,920, sir.
5,920. Okay, now cost here it is different because adjustment is also different. What is the value of stock here?
6,740.
6,000?
740.
7. Okay. What do we need to less here? We need to less the profit.
25% profit. Gross profit.
25% of profit. Clear?
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
In 2016, it says that 2016 it says that the cash is stolen.
Daniel, your
Sir.
voice is breaking, Daniel.
Sir, am I audible now, sir?
Yeah, better.
Sir, in 2016, the cash is stolen, sir.
2016 cash is stolen. Yes.
So should that bring any changes to the asset side?
See, as of now, we are not aware which cash is stolen. And also, amount is actually stolen from house.
Yes, sir. So that will be cash in hand, no, sir.
See, it is from houseman, and also it will be a part of drawings then. How will an amount stolen from house will affect the statement of affairs of the business? As of now, we have not considered any of the personal expenses or losses, right?
Yes, sir.
Daniel, if it is from the business house, then we can think about it, right?
Okay.
But 3,000 was stolen from his house. So where it will be a part of?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Can you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if it's part of business, we can include very well in the statement of affairs. Since it's not part of his business and it's totally personal, it's been part of drawings and also an undisclosed income. We will work it out now, right? Shall I proceed further? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students, quickly tell me the adjustment here. Here it is something on selling price or directly a profit is given. What is the gross profit to sales? What is the adjustment, students? Just read it out.
25%.
Okay, at selling price, which shows a gross profit of 25%, which means 6740 is 125 or 100%.
$100.
It is 100%, but it is included with profit of 25%. So how are we going to just find out? Straight away 25% out of how much?
6,740.
6740. What is the amount?
1,348.
6740 multiplied by 25 whole divided by 100.
Sir, 1348, sir.
1 minute, ma'am. What is the amount?
1,685.
1685. Yes. What somebody else is asking? Did anyone ask anything?
No, sir.
Okay. What is the balance now?
5,055.
5055. And the balance sheet totals to 30,425. Clear. Okay. Now coming to creditors, how much? 8,000. 8,000.
400. 400.
So balance sheet totals to 3425. Quickly tell me the balancing figure of capital.
22,025.
22,025. So what are we having in our hand now? Two values. What are they?
Capital as on 31st December 2010 and capital as on 31st
Clear.
December.
We have capital as on 2016 and we also have capital as on 2010. So all we need to do is we are going to consider adjustments related to drawings. Clear. And also we are going to consider undisclosed income, and we are also going to consider whatever the declared income that has been provided to the income tax authority. We will finish it off in another 5 minutes now. Give me a minute, students. So students, now we shall proceed with preparation of statement of accounts. So now statement of profit can be prepared for the period of, can you see the screen, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
period of
31st December 2016.
Yes, it's from 2011 or 31st December 2010 till 2016. I have typed the problem already. Maybe I will just project the answers accordingly. So all we need to have is particulars, amount, and what is the very first transaction that we need to have?
Capital account.
Capital account.
31st December 2016.
What is it? Capital loss on 31st December 2016. What is the amount?
22,025.
Okay, followed by?
Drawing.
Okay, what are all the items that considers drawing here? What are all the items that's been considered as drawings here? Yes?
Stolen amount.
Stolen amount. Okay. What else?
Personal
What
expenses.
else? All the personal expenses. Clear. Right? So first we are going to adjust the drawings by considering all his personal expenses. So is there any directions or any information provided on his personal expenses?
Living expenses.
Exactly. So we are just going to accommodate all the living expenses now. So what is the living expenses on 2011?
3,000, sir.
3,000. Okay. In inner column. And
2012 4,000.
okay. Then 2013.
6,000.
Okay. Then 2014 till 2016, how much?
7,000.
7,000.
Overall 7,000? Is it
No,
overall
sir.
7,000?
Per annum, 21,000 in
It is
total.
per annum 7,000. So it comes to 21,000. What is the total? Quickly tell me the total.
54,000.
34,000. Perfect. Yes. Now what we need to do? Now we just need to less the capital. Clear? What is the capital as on 31st December 2010? Is there any additional capital introduced as of now?
No, sir.
No,
No. So straight away, what is the capital as on 31st December 2010?
7,900.
7,936. So what is the profit as per the books?
41,936.
What is it?
48,000.
41,936.
Seriously?
48,089, sir.
Perfect. 48,089. Please check the total once again, students. I will also check it. $48,089. All of you getting the same amount?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then now we arrived at the profit. Clear? And now we just going to accommodate only two more expenses, two more adjustments. One is undisclosed income, and other one is undisclosed income, and other one is declared income. So shall we quickly go through the undisclosed income? Because undisclosed income are actually along with the profit. How? Because it is some or the other way taken, right? Some or the other way taken out of the business or out of the business transaction, which is not disclosed. Can somebody quickly tell me what are the list of items that is undisclosed? Read the adjustment carefully.
Stolen.
Okay, I think all are very popular about stolen. It's come from the very first adjustment.
Amount borrowed, repaid.
Okay, amount that is repaid. How much?
4,000.
Amounts to 4,000. Very good. What about second adjustment?
Lent.
Money lent to brother. How much?
3,000.
3,000. Yes. And third adjustment?
Car. Purchase of car. House.
Purchase of car. Am I teaching only to Daniel? What about others? What is the fourth adjustment? Purchase of?
Shares.
Purchase of shares. How much?
Oh, sir.
7,500.
500. Then final amount stolen from the house, it amounts to 3,000. Students, why this is considered as undisclosed income is it is no way accounted anywhere in the business as well as with the income tax. Clear now? Yes?
Sir, purchase of house.
Okay.
20,000.
1 minute now.
Sir, in 2006, so it won't come, sir.
Yes, ma. Because we are calculating for 2010 to 16, I guess. The filing period is 2011 to 16, right? So I don't
Yes,
think
sir.
purchase of income will come. So what is the total now? What is the total undisclosed income?
25,000.
25,000. Now we have just added all the undisclosed income. And what we need to do now, already some income has been declared with the income tax authority. We just need to deduct it. The screen is visible, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Quickly tell me what are the amounts that's been filed? What is the declared income?
The
2011,
2011, 7,350.
Okay. Then,
2012, 7,400.
okay.
2013, 7,870.
Okay.
2014, 13,750.
13,750.
2015, 12,140.
Okay.
And 2016, 9,260.
2016.
9,260.
Yes. So give me the total. Give me the total quickly.
57,700.
Yes. So now we are just going to arrive at the amount. Okay. What are all that has been put in excess? Clear? Just tell me the amount that is just filed in excess. That is not filed with the tax authority.
48,089 plus 25,000.
Okay. What is the final amount?
73,000.
Profit as per the book is 48,000. Add undisclosed income 25,000. It comes to 73,089. And already 57,770 been declared. So what is the excess income that is not yet declared?
15,319.
73,000 minus 57,770.
That's it. So this is the answer, students. Clear? So how much tax evasion he has done? To an extent of
15,319.
15,319. Right? You may feel that this sum is quite confusing, but all you need to understand is don't go to all the adjustment, just go step by step. What is the very first step?
Statement
The
of
very
affairs.
first step is you need to prepare statement of affairs for opening and closing without considering any of the personal transactions. Clear? Then you should consider drawing as just a personal expenses which covers its living expenses. Clear? Then what you're doing is just adding all the undisclosed income and subtracting the declared income. Any doubts, students? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Okay. And I think it's 135, but I want you to take one more problem to work. Shall I post it in the group? Possibly.
Yes, sir.
Can you copy it and work it out? Tomorrow I will check. Is it fine, or you are going to copy it now? I will wait.
No, sir.
Sir,
You post
GCR, sir.